push this lever. Just does that. Right on. This is a big tree way up. What size is that tree? Oh, lost her. I'm using one hand. Also because I'm doing this. So we'll open my tongue up. Get under it. Let's get under it. We'll close the tongue. Well, close the tongue. Lift up. That is so cool. Well, hi, it's lifting up. Oh yeah. Move it over to my fire area. Whoa, look at that. Push it out. Wow, look at the power of that. Cool, cool, cool. It's a big tree too. Well, it was half a tree. Move it out a bit. And we'll disengage. Whoa, yeah, baby. Looks like a T-Rex. Nice. We'll close it. Bring it forward. That's very impressive. We're gonna have lots more on this B92, I believe it's called. Very impressive. Let me check down. There it is right there. There's the tree it moved. Cool, cool, cool. My B92 with the Kubota L4400. Very impressive. Very impressive.